everyone, this is Aakash. In this tutorial, we'll be going to discuss about we will be starting a new series on the Python design patterns. Basically, in this series of videos, what we'll be going to discuss about, we'll be starting this series actually. Okay, so you will get the pretty understanding. We have started the Python programming language, and we have like end-to-end basics we have covered, but never we have not talked about the Python design patterns basically here, right? So what we'll be going to discuss about is throughout this tutorial. Okay, so we'll be going to discuss about the design pattern. Okay, design patterns. Okay, in the design patterns we'll be going to implement this design patterns in Python programming language. Implement in Python programming language. Okay, all right. So we also deal with the several types of design patterns. Several types of design patterns will be going to deal with. Okay, we'll be going to discuss about different types of design patterns, and we'll be going to see different approach to solve the Python problems. Okay, different approaches to solve Python problems. Okay, look at it, that part. And as we know that Python is high level dynamic type language and popularly based, and it is used in every possible technical domain, right? Every possible technical domain this Python programming language is used. Technical domain is used, right? So we'll be going to discuss in the next video about what is a design pattern and all about related to that particular content. Okay, that's it about this video, folks. In the next video we'll be going to discuss about what is design. Okay, about this video. Thank you for watching, folks.